It may come as a surprise, but leg cramps can strike seniors over 65 with a vengeance, disrupting sleep and daily life, and they could signal poor circulation or nutrient deficiencies. Research from the Journal of Aging and Health shows that 60% of seniors experience nightly leg cramps, impacting their quality of life. The terrifying part? Many common remedies like over-the-counter medications can cause side effects or cost a fortune, yet seniors rely on them unaware of a cheaper instant fix. A specific trick revealed later can stop leg cramps in their tracks without spending a dime. You're probably missing this game changer in your routine. But don't worry, this video unveils the one cheap trick to banish leg cramps instantly, tailored for seniors. Stick around for a shocking truth about leg cramps that doctors rarely mention. Get this video liked and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Also, tell us in the comments where you're watching from. If you don't tackle leg cramps with the right approach, you risk chronic pain, sleep deprivation, and reduced mobility. This is critical for seniors over 65, as aging muscles and circulation issues make cramps more frequent and severe. Ignoring this could lead to falls, reliance on costly medications, or even decreased independence. But by using our simple, free trick, you'll learn how to relieve pain instantly, improve sleep, and stay active well into your golden years. In fourth place, the foundation of cramp relief: proper hydration. One of the best ways to prevent leg cramps is staying hydrated thanks to balanced electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which help muscles function smoothly. As we age, dehydration risks increase after 65 due to reduced thirst signals, making cramps more likely. Studies show adequate hydration can reduce cramp frequency by 30%. It also boosts energy and supports circulation, key for seniors. Try drinking 8 ounces of water with a pinch of sea salt daily to replenish electrolytes naturally. This is especially effective before bed to prevent nighttime cramps. Hydration also aids digestion, a common issue for seniors. Be cautious of overhydration if you have kidney or heart conditions, and consult your doctor if unsure. Third, the calf stretch, the instant cramp buster. Because of its simplicity and speed, the calf stretch is perfect for stopping leg cramps instantly. Stretching elongates muscle fibers, reducing spasm intensity, according to research in the Journal of Physiotherapy. This is vital for seniors as muscle stiffness increases with age, triggering cramps. A study found that 30-second stretches reduced cramp duration by 40%. What many don't know is that this stretch also improves balance, reducing fall risks. To do it, stand facing a wall, place one foot behind you, and lean forward, keeping the back leg straight until you feel a gentle stretch in the calf. Hold for 30 seconds per leg, twice daily, ideally before bed. Don't worry about initial discomfort, it's a sign of muscle relaxation. This quick stretch can stop a cramp in seconds, making it a senior must-have. Second, self-massage, the circulation booster. Self-massage is often overlooked but supercharges cramp relief by boosting blood flow to cramped muscles. Its unique ability to relax muscle tension makes it ideal for seniors, as poor circulation after 65 exacerbates cramps. Massaging the calf for 2 minutes after stretching can reduce cramp recurrence, per a study in the archives of physical medicine. It also lowers stress, promoting better sleep, a bonus for seniors. Use your hands to knead the calf gently, focusing on tight spots, or try a tennis ball for deeper pressure. Do this nightly or when cramps strike. The act of massaging promotes mindfulness, helping seniors stay attuned to their bodies. For those with arthritis, use light pressure to avoid discomfort. First place, daily mobility exercises, the ultimate cramp preventer. We emphasize daily mobility exercises because they prevent cramp recurrence by keeping muscles flexible and strong. With consistent movement, they're the most effective way to stop cramps long-term. This is crucial for seniors, as sedentary lifestyles after 65 trigger muscle tightness and cramps. A 10-minute walk or gentle leg swings daily can cut cramp frequency by 50%, per the American Journal of Sports Medicine. These exercises also strengthen muscles, reducing fall risks. Try walking briskly or doing seated leg extensions each morning. New research suggests mobility exercises may enhance overall joint health, keeping seniors active longer. Store this habit in your daily routine like a morning ritual to maintain benefits. For seniors with mobility issues, chair-based exercises work just as well. Now let's discuss 4 common mistakes seniors make when addressing leg cramps. In fourth place, relying on tonic water. Despite its popularity, tonic water is risky because its quinine content can cause heart palpitations and digestive issues. For seniors, this is worse due to frequent medication interactions, especially with blood thinners. It also delays proper treatment, leaving cramps unresolved. Quinine was banned as a cramp remedy by the FDA due to safety concerns. Many seniors drink it unaware of these risks, thinking it's a quick fix. It can also disrupt sleep with its caffeine content. Switch to proper hydration with electrolytes to safely reduce cramps without side effects. Even cutting tonic water 3 days a week makes a difference for your health. Third, ignoring leg cramps. Ignoring cramps seems harmless but can mask serious conditions like poor circulation or nerve issues. This is harmful for seniors, as untreated cramps can lead to chronic pain or mobility loss. Many dismiss cramps as just aging, but they often signal dehydration or nutrient deficiencies. Ignoring them increases fall risks, especially at night when cramps strike. It also worsens sleep, affecting 50% of seniors with frequent cramps. Instead of shrugging them off, try the calf stretch when cramps occur to address the root cause. This mistake is easy to fix with our trick, ensuring you stay active and pain-free. Second, overusing painkillers. Overusing painkillers for cramps is risky due to dependency risks and kidney strain. This can harm seniors, who often take multiple medications, increasing side effect risks. Painkillers mask cramps without fixing underlying causes like muscle tightness. Many seniors think they're a quick fix, but studies show they offer no long-term cramp relief. Overuse can also cause stomach issues, affecting 30% of seniors on painkillers long-term. Their high cost adds financial stress for those on fixed incomes. Opt for self-massage instead, which relieves cramps naturally and boosts circulation. First, incorrect stretching. The cramp aggravator. Incorrect stretching is the most problematic because it can worsen cramps or cause muscle strain. This is worse for seniors due to reduced flexibility and weaker muscles after 65. Stretching too aggressively or skipping warm-ups risks injury, with 20% of seniors reporting strains from improper exercise. It also delays relief as wrong techniques tighten muscles further. Many seniors stretch without guidance, unaware they're doing harm. Incorrect stretching can increase fall risks by destabilizing muscles. Follow our calf stretch technique, holding gently for 30 seconds to ensure safe, effective relief. Avoid this mistake entirely and use our proven method to stop cramps instantly while protecting your body. Your approach to leg cramps can profoundly impact your sleep quality, mobility, and comfort in your twilight years. Small changes like using our 4-step trick, hydration, calf stretches, self-massage, and daily mobility, and avoiding tonic water, ignoring cramps, painkillers, and incorrect stretching yield big results. Now it's your turn. Have you tried any tricks for leg cramps? Share your stories in the comments and tell us what worked best for you. Like and subscribe for more health tips tailored for seniors.